So we're going to quickly calculate the standard error of a sample proportion. And the formula looks very similar to the standard error of the mean. So our formula is square root of p times 1 minus p over square root of n. And what is p? P is the proportion. So when we're looking at a sample, let's say our sample has 100 students, so our n equals 100, and that in this sample, the proportion that voted yes is 72, the proportion that voted no is 28. What is P, or the sample proportion? So the sample proportion, P, equals, in our case, we're interested in the yes folks, 72 over 100 equals 0.72. And then we take that number and plug it into our formula. So our standard error of this sample proportion of students who are voting is the square root of 0.72 times 1 minus 0.72 divided by square root of n, which is equal to 0.72 times 0.28 divided by square root of 100, which is equal to 0.45. And your book says 100, it's actually a 10. Square root of 100 is 10, equals 0.045. So when we're interested in this particular proportion of students who voted yes, we're interested in calculating the standard error of students who voted yes. So we're looking here at a 0.05 standard error. So there is one caveat that I'm actually not going to go into. It's described in the book, but this is just a simple calculation, and that's all you need to know about sample error of the proportion.